Hi, welcome to Kids Draw, a place where kids come to draw. Today, our kid artist is going to show you how to draw an Anklyosaurus. So grab something to draw with and something to draw on and follow along.
Yes. So first, you start with a big oval right in the middle. Kind of like a oval squished. Like a circle squished. And then we will have, after we do our oval, then a circle. And then another circle. And then you go straight out, straight back in, and then up. And then you go circle, circle, and then straight out, and then straight up. And then you will do one circle, and then two circles, and then straight out, straight in, straight back up. And then straight back in, straight, and then shoop out, and then up. And then you're going to make sure you have room for the Ankylosaurus tail. Now you can do this however you want and how you do this. So after you make your legs, then you go straight down, and then start pointed, and then right back up. And then make a big club at the end. And then make two bumps on that club. Bump, bump. You can try to make that curved right there. And then you should make the spikes. So make a bunch of triangles. Now you can put the circles on your club to make it pokey looking. That's what I'm going to do. And then just keep on doing your triangles. And you can, and if I go too fast, you always can pause us and keep on going. Or you could just not pause me and just keep on going. You just have to do the triangles down. And you can do spikes only on the tail, and you can do them on the tail and the back, or you could just do the back or the front. And you don't have to hurry because it might take you a little while to draw it whole entire Ankylosaurus. if you want, you can just make, there'll be a big, just make some, just make some bumps here for armor. And so you don't have to draw the spikes. And then you can just do that all the way down, all the way back up, so other dinosaurs don't eat this one. And instead, those dinosaurs that want to eat this dinosaur would have to jump on this and then, or push them over and knock and eat from the bottom. Then just keep on doing spikes. And then just keep on going. Keep on going. And then after you made all the triangles and stuff, then make an oval right here. Right in and right out. And connect that. And then go down. And then make these feet look like real feet. So, just take a marker if you need to, and just go over the lines that you want to keep. And then you should go over a lot of the lines that you want to keep, and not so much that you don't want to keep. And then just keep on going on your spikes that you do want to keep. I'm trying on a bunch of them. If you want, you can take a picture or take a picture and send it to Kids Draw of your dinosaurs and your ones. You can do it as whatever you want and be as creative as you want. And then put your marker away. And then take your eraser and erase the extra lines. And it's okay if you don't want to do this and just leave the lines that you made. I'm just gonna just erase all the extra lines. And what do you think our dinosaur is missing? Some spikes down here. Big ones. So if dinosaurs knock this one over, he can drop right on the dinosaurs and just yoink, knock off. And one spike and a couple of spikes, kind of like a rhinoceros up here. Only 3 instead of 2. To make it extra good. And then, if you want, you can just take your pencil again and make some eyes. One circle, then another circle, and if you want, you can just color it in to make. And it's okay if you don't want to. If you want to, you can leave it to color in later. Make the eye, and then if you want to make it cute, do that. And just color in, use some white. Okay, now do it now. Pause it now. Okay. I used this color red, white on this part for my color. Right there on my armor, and I made a little plant, and I used red for here on the spikes and some dark red on here.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for drawing with us. We hope you followed along. You can find us on Instagram at _kidsdraw_, and we will look forward to drawing with you again.
And if you have a marker or a pencil,
whatever you have,
you can make it whatever color you want.
All right. Bye, guys.